Hello friends, I welcome you all in today's video session. It is a very interesting session because we are going to discuss about how to download the HD map of different countries, different regional organization or different continents in HD format from the United Nations website. So just Google United Nations over here and just go to www.un.org. That is the official page of United Nations. So once you reach on this page, just scroll down. Okay, at the bottom you will find different links over here. Okay, so here there are different columns. There is one column resources or services. In that you will find the one link for maps. So just click on it. So you will get the interface of this page, that is a geospatial information section. Okay, it is working under the Office of Information and Communication Technology. Okay, here you can able to see different general maps, the mission map. What are these mission map? Here you can able to select the mission. Okay, there are different missions which are conducted by United Nations in different parts of the world. So here you can able to see the different missions. So you can select any mission and you will get the map of that particular mission. So here I am selecting the Cyprus region. Okay, so here I will get the map of Cyprus and whatever United Nation is going to do there, or whatever United Nation had done over there. So all this information I will get from this particular image. Okay, and it is a HD image. You can able to take printout of it, and it is absolutely free of cost. The size of file is also very small. So here you can able to see. Here the index is given. Okay, so here you can read. As United Nations have 6 official languages, so you can find the index in 6 official languages. But whatever given in the map, it is only in English. Okay, so it is a really helpful map for you if you want to study different missions. Okay, so this is about the mission I told you. Let's discuss about different regional map of the country. So here there is a section of general map. Here you can select the different regions. So since the establishment of United Nations after World War II, you can able to see the member of states of United Nations between 1945 to 1955, then 1956 to 65. So in each decade, which countries joined United Nations. So all these things they have mentioned over here. Then you can able to see the regional map over here. Okay, the South Asia's map, Central Asia's map, Western Asia's map, Middle Africa, Southeast Africa. Okay, the Great Lakes region, which is located in northern North America continent. Okay, then Central and Eastern Europe region, Baltic region. Okay, there are different organizations. Then here you can able to download the maps of different countries. Okay, there are maximum or most of the countries in the world which map is available over here, and you can able to download the HD map. Suppose I am clicking over here on the Ukraine's map. So here you can able to download the HD map of Ukraine. So let's wait for processing. This is a very helpful website. I'm just browsing the United Nations website and I got this section. So I thought that it might be helpful for all the students who are preparing for different competitive exam, or who are studying in school, or any geography lover who want to study the map. But the either we get the map which are very blur, or they are very costly if we want to purchase from the market. But here you can able to get the HD map, and that also free of cost, and they are authentic because they are published by United Nations. So here you can able to see the map of Ukraine. In single map you can able to get the different parameters like the political map of that particular country, the border nations. Okay, then the states, the important cities, airport, the railway route, road route, rivers, dams. So everything is mentioned in a single map and in very proper manner, very proper legend you can able to see over here. Okay, so guys, I hope it is clear to you. There are different section over here. You can see the thematic map here. There are different convention which are passed by United Nations, their different organs, and which countries they signed the convention, which countries didn't sign the convention, which countries ratified the convention. So all these things mentioned over here. Here there are different peacekeeping forces and peace building maps. Okay, so there are different peacekeeping missions sent by United Nations in different parts of conflicted region in the world. So you can able to get that map also over here. Here you will get the geographical resources and information. So documentation, the map library you will get over here. Then here the working group, that is United Nations GGIM. Okay, so that is a global geospatial information management. So you will get the different publications of this GGIM. Also you will get different report and the different newsletter of GGIM which they used to publish on regular basis. So there are different links you can able to get over here, and you can search over here as per your interest. Okay, though the student who are studying the geoinformatics, okay, or the MA or MSc geography, MSc geology. So all these map they are helpful for them, and it is also helpful for the scholars who are doing their study related to international relation or the any human geography, world geography. So these maps are very helpful, guys. That's why I shared this particular site with you, so you can able to get the maps very easily. Okay, and that also of HD quality. So guys, I hope you like this session. If you like the session, give thumbs up, share this particular information with your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the more informative session notification on time. So thank you guys for your attention and have a great day. Thank you.